Bitcoin money especially is a mid-positioned cryptographic money at present estimated at $254.91 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $4,990,269,927, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Over the past by and large couple of years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out an especially impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, in opposition to mainstream thinking. A few institutional financial backers even certainly consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against a taking-off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an unobtrusive way. Retail financial backers and dealers really are genuinely keen on digital currencies in every practical sense, for example, BCH on the grounds that this is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources generally have the in every practical sense potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately lovely brief timeframe, in a kind of enormous manner. These profits especially are impossible in different business sectors, which is the motivation behind why undoubtedly moderate financial backers basically are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money, while the groundbreaking ones basically give a critical part of their by and large cash flow to this quickly creating resource class. Which most certainly is genuinely huge. At this especially specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $254.91, where it as of now sits, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. As currently referenced, BCH in every practical sense is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 22nd spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the really metric that's sort not entirely set in stone, by duplicating the kind of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization truly remains at $4,990,269,927. The significance of this boundary will truly be generally made sense of later, which generally is genuinely critical. Our cost expectation calculation sort of is planned in every practical sense, such a way that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to fundamentally furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the by and large present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough evaluate the condition of their portfolio and truly choose whether or not it basically has to truly be reconfigured in a significant manner. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which is somewhat crucial for the sort of right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its sort of present and future heading, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Underneath you will in a real sense find key selections of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could, all things considered, have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market is going, which sort of is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on December 8, BCH generally was esteemed at $246.93 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings, especially recall that cryptographic forms of money are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unpretentious manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period explicitly added up to 3.09% in a very significant manner. 7 days prior, on December 2, Bitcoin money sort of was exchanged at $225.22 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in a real sense near its in every way that really matters, present position, so at this sort of specific intersection. The endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $254.91, where it right now generally sits in a huge manner. On November 9, which explicitly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $245.86, the cost level that really is at the distance of 3.68% from where it at present stands, which especially is genuinely critical. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX especially are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, which especially is very huge. Market capitalization fundamentally is one more significant genuinely metric that in a real sense assists brokers generally with deciding the ubiquity of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in a very significant manner. It's likewise used to survey the offer that Bitcoin money most certainly holds inside the sort of whole digital currency market in a by and large significant manner. The equation for the computation of market capitalization generally is somewhat straightforward. The circling supply of the cash being referred to fundamentally is duplicated by its genuinely current cost in a huge manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH remains at $4,990,269,927, enough to name it the 22nd sort of the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, so the recipe for the computation of market capitalization, sort of, is fairly basic. The flowing stock of the cash being referred to is duplicated by its exceptionally current cost, or so the in a real sense thought. Yesterday, on December 8, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money essentially remained at $4,834,708,723. 7 days prior, on December 2, the capitalization of BCH really was $4,408,587,205 in an unobtrusive manner. A month prior, on November 9, how much in every way that really matters, capital streaming around this truly specific market most certainly added up to $4,807,424,176 amazingly. Most digital money financial backers basically stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a by and large certain digital currency and its capacity to truly endure disturbances, which sort of are the very normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market, which especially is genuinely critical. The truly greatest stock of Bitcoin money by and large is 21,000,000 BCH. The exceptionally all-out supply of BCH as of now generally remains at 19,588,863 coins, especially further appearance how our cost expectation calculation in a real sense is planned so that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to basically furnish our endorsers with the most reliable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily truly survey the condition of their portfolio, and essentially choose whether or not it for the most part needs to really be reconfigured. Which certainly is genuinely huge. The coursing supply of the digital money under survey sort of is 19,588,863 BCH in an especially significant manner. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't basically be finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the really metric utilized by essentially all digital currency merchants to explicitly affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move in a sort of significant manner. For example, on the off chance that the breakout to the potential gain for the most part is happening on the rear of the by and large low exchanging volume, there in a real sense is an exceptionally high likelihood that this move for the most part is unreasonable and would really bring about a bullish snare. Hence, it is vital to truly break down the by and large past and the ongoing exchanging volume of BCH requests to comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Bitcoin money market generally was enlisted at 220